Want to publish your website online for free? In this video, I'll show you how to deploy your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript website using Netlify in just a couple of minutes. First, go to the Netlify website and sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Add New Project. Now simply drag and drop your website folder into the deployment area. Netlify will automatically upload your files and start deploying your website. Within a few seconds, your website will be live. Netlify automatically generates a free website URL that you can use immediately. If you'd like, you can also change the default site name to something more professional. Just open the site settings and update the site name. Netlify will instantly create a new URL. That's it. Your website is now live and accessible from anywhere in the world. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other web development tutorials.